Hello, and welcome to this quick run-through of how to navigate DU Passport. In this video, we'll show you how to get to DU Passport from the OIE's website. We'll show you how to research a program and then how to open an application. So first, you'll want to search DU Office of International Education, which is the website I have pulled up right now. This should give you a link that will take you directly to our homepage. This is our website. There's plenty of information on here that is very helpful for studying abroad. On the Get Started tab, you can find specific information related to steps on how to study abroad, advising, things to consider if interested in study abroad, how to apply, and our program types that are available to you. For future use, please familiarize yourself with the website. So to access DU Passport, you can hover over the Get Started tab and click on Steps to Study Abroad. On this page, you'll be given a breakdown of each step to studying abroad. You can go to Start a DU Abroad application in DU Passport, and this is what we will be going through today. So you can go ahead and click on this link right here, DU Passport, and this is DU Passport. The first thing you can use DU Passport for is searching for programs, just based on your interests, countries, a region, really anything you would like to search for. So you may search a program based on any of the criteria that interests you. This could be a program with English language instruction, but in Japan, or art in Latin America. And you may not even find a program that fits those desires, but it's good to try. There are a couple of ways of finding a program. If you know the specific program name, you might enter it in the search bar. If you have no idea which program you might be interested in, picking from a few categories of your choice will help you narrow it down to a list or just a program that has all of your requirements. Here are some examples. Some programs will have the country or city name in the program name. For example, if you search Senegal, you will find this program, International Development in Senegal. Other programs do not have the country name in their name, and so you'll find nothing if you search for something like Belgium. So then, of course, that is not the only way to search for a program. Here are some other things you can search for. So if you know you want to go to an African country in the spring, you can search African winter and spring quarters. Let's see what we have. So these are all of your options for going to Africa in the winter and the spring quarters. Again, you may search by any number of different criteria, including areas of study. If you're very interested in doing a homestay or an internship, you can search by that, and really anything else you would like. So maybe I would like to be in Africa and I would like to do a field or community-based study. And maybe I want to go to Senegal. If this is the program I'm interested in, I'll then click this link and look at the program brochure. So every page will have the same format. There's going to be a program overview, a tab for academics, program details, costs and scholarships, and then resources. So on the program overview, you can find what's included. So here you can get up to 27 DU credits. There's a homestay, you get transportation, orientation, everything like that. Sometimes there are excursions with this program that are included. So you can also look at the information sheet listed on this page. This has your OIE advisor that you can contact if you have any questions, any eligibility, GPA, anything like that is going to be listed right here. Engaged learning opportunities. So that's my field or community-based study that I was looking for. If it's a homestay or not, everything like that. There's also the chance of acceptance. So this one is a high chance of acceptance program. And then there's a little bit about dates and deadlines as well. So that's what we have on the program overview page. Next is academics. So this just gives you an overview of the academics in this program. So it's an experiential program, so you're going to be taking classes, but then also learning through experiences like field trips and internships and research. There's information on course load, coursework, everything like that. And then down here is really helpful. It is grade and credit translations. So you may look at how Senegal's grades transfer over to DU, and then you may also look at our earning credits page, which gives you a lot of information on how to take those credits you got from abroad and bring them back here to DU. In the program details tab, you're going to learn a little bit more about the country you're going to. So the location, housing and meals in your program, and then the learning outcomes that this program intends for you to achieve. The Costs and Scholarships tab goes through all of your billing. So this is what you will be paying for this program: DU tuition, technology, housing, and meal plan. There may also be additional expenses for when you go abroad, and these will be listed as well. And then there will be some links detailing scholarships and financial assistance. So then on the final tab, we have some resources, including passports, visas, diversity and identity abroad, students with disabilities and learning differences, mental health abroad, international students, and some additional resources, including specific health and wellness advice for Senegal and gender relations and sexual harassment abroad. So now, after you have looked through your programs of interest and decided on one choice, you may click Open Application, which is going to be on the right-hand side of the screen. Currently, the application is closed, so this program is not accepting applications, but in the fall, when applications reopen, there will be a link here to say Apply Now.